Hi guys, welcome to my workshop. So today I've got myself a new pillar drill. It's the Titan TTB541DBT. Let's unpack it and see what it's like. Right, so let's take a look at it. Got some batteries. I believe it's got a laser, that could be what they're for. Got the instructions. This is a 700 watt drill press, so hopefully it'll be nice and powerful enough for my needs anyway. So we've got the arms, got the table. It's quite a nice size table. Yeah, looks pretty good. Yeah, it's got like some T-slots and stuff like that in here, so I can knock up some jigs and mount stuff in there. Got the base, it's quite a size, nice and sturdy. And the guard. Got the keyless chuck. Nice big chuck. Goes from 3mm all the way up to 16mm. We've got a 4-inch vise for it. I think I will be building a wooden one, just so I can use this more for metal work, and I'll have a wooden one for all my woodwork. That'll hopefully be an upcoming project. So we've got one of the rings that holds part of the rack and pinion on the pillar. We've got the other part of the guard that actually mounts it to the drill. And one of the handles for the rack and pinion on the pillar that moves it up and down. We've got a key to remove the chuck. The arm for the table. Bag of nuts and bolts to assemble it. The post, the pillar. And part of the rack and pinion that goes on the pillar. And I think all we've got left now is the head, the actual drill for the motor. We'll leave it in the box at the moment just because I'd rather lift it straight out onto the stand. So let's start assembling it. next part is to fit the actual drill to the stand, so let's do that. Right, now we've got the majority of the built, I'm going to go and put it into the right place and I'll see you in a sec. According to the instructions, just supposed to give the shaft before inserting the chuck quick wipe over to remove any oil or anything like that. So I'm doing so with some white spirit. Now this is a tape lock, this is, so I'm just going to place a piece of wood on the table. Bring the table up. And push down. This is all in guidance with the manufacturer's instructions. That looks solid, not coming off. If you take a look on the front of the pillar drill, we've got a gauge here for the speed. If we come around and look at the top, it's also the same up on the lid. What you do to change the speed or to tension the belts, because as you can see this is very slack at the moment, is you set the speed in accordance with the graph over here, and then when you want to tension it, you pull this way to tension it, and then you tighten these. There'll be one either side, one there and one just the other side. Tighten them and that holds the tension on the belt. Last thing we probably should do before testing it is make sure the table is square to the drill bit. So what I've done is I put a 12mm drill bit in here, just 'cause it's a nice big one. I can get a speed square across it, up against it, sorry. So we'll stick that there, and that's really good. Do you want to take a look? If I did need to adjust it, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see, but there's a bolt just down here. Just loosen that and I can turn it, and there is a gauge here that allows me to change it from 0 all the way to 45 degrees each way. Now we've got it all set up, shall we give it a go and see how it drills? It's a nice clean hole, nice and square. Let's test a different bit. Got a 35mm Forstner bit in here now. Let's see how it handles that. So yeah, that was quite easy too. It's not the sharpest Forstner bit, but yeah, that cut nicely, nice and square. Yeah, it's good to me. Right guys, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe. See you next time.